Headed again. So, dito na kami sa entrance ng ano guys, ng Banyan Spring. And then, lakad muna kami sa Kali. So, we're going home to each other. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. See you
on our next video.
our travel
goals.
View of it.
Yan, dot. Ganda.
Bye.
Yes.